Health benefits of fasting you should know. Fasting is an ancient practice that has been around for centuries. It's been practiced for religious reasons, but more recently, people are fasting for health reasons. There are many health benefits of fasting, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and lower risk of chronic diseases. Fasting is not for everyone, and it's important to talk to your doctor before you start. But if you're looking for a way to improve your health, fasting may be worth considering. In this article, we'll explore the health benefits of fasting and give you some tips on how to fast safely. Section 1. What is fasting? Fasting is the act of abstaining from consuming food for a set period of time. During a fast, you are not consuming any calories. This includes any calories from your daily coffee or tea. You can also fast from specific foods. For example, you can fast from all dairy products, which means you are not consuming any dairy products for a certain period of time. While there are many different types of fasts, intermittent fasting is one of the most common types. Intermittent fasting is when you cycle between periods of abstaining from food, fasting, and periods of eating. There are many different intermittent fasting protocols, but most diets have you fasting anywhere from 12 to 36 hours each week. Section 2. The benefits of fasting. There are many benefits of fasting, though not all are proven. Here are some of the most significant health benefits of fasting. Weight loss. Fasting can help you lose weight. Studies have shown that people who fast regularly are less likely to become obese than people who don't fast. Fasting has also been shown to help with preventing weight gain after weight loss. It's important to note that fasting alone isn't enough to cause significant weight loss. You'll also need to follow a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Mental clarity. Fasting has been shown to improve mood and boost mental clarity. This may be because of the reduction in inflammation and oxidative stress caused by fasting. Fasting has also been shown to improve brain function. There are also some positive effects of fasting for people with certain mental illnesses. People with bipolar disorder have reported fewer symptoms during a fast, and fasting has been shown to reduce symptoms in people with schizophrenia. Fasting can also help reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost happiness. Chronic disease prevention. Some studies have shown that regular fasting can reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Studies have shown that fasting can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancers. Fasting has also been shown to help with managing blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Fasting can also help with weight loss, which has been shown to reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. For certain chronic diseases, there may be a window during which fasting is most beneficial for prevention. For example, for certain cancers, it is best to fast within the first few hours of the day. Section 3. How to fast safely. Fasting has many benefits, but it is important to do it safely. If you decide to fast, it's important to listen to your body and take precautions to stay healthy. Here are some tips for fasting safely. Fasting is not appropriate for everyone. If you have a health condition, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting a fasting diet. If you are pregnant, you should definitely avoid fasting. Make sure you're drinking enough water. While fasting, you will lose water through your sweat and breathing. You'll also lose electrolytes, which are minerals that help your body function. Make sure you're drinking enough water to replace what you're losing. Take care of yourself. While fasting, you may experience side effects such as headaches, fatigue, and hunger. Make sure to take care of yourself during this time. Pace yourself. If you are new to fasting, it's important to ease into it. You may want to start with a 12-hour fast or a 24-hour fast to see how your body responds. You can then progress to longer fasts if you want. Stay hydrated, eat healthy foods, and exercise regularly. It's important to follow a balanced diet and exercise regularly when you're fasting. If you experience any negative side effects, stop fasting and talk to your doctor. Section 4. Fasting for weight loss. One of the most common uses of fasting is for the purpose of weight loss. Research has found that intermittent fasting can cause significant weight loss. One study found that people who fasted for 2 days a week lost 2 pounds more than people who didn't fast. Another study found that people who fasted for 5 days a week for 3 months lost 5 pounds more than people who didn't fast. These studies show that intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, but it's important to note that the diet alone isn't enough to cause the weight loss. Researchers believe that fasting can help with weight loss for 2 main reasons. Fasting reduces insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that causes your body to store fat. When you fast, your insulin levels drop quickly. When your insulin levels are lower, your body is better able to break down fat. Fasting increases your metabolism. When you fast, your metabolism increases as your body searches for energy. This means that while you're fasting, your body is burning more calories than it would normally. This can help with weight loss. Section 5. Fasting for mental clarity. Fasting can help with mental clarity in a few different ways. It can help with mental clarity in the short term, but it may also help with long-term mental clarity. Fasting can improve mental clarity in the short term thanks to the hormones released during fasting. As your body searches for energy, it releases cortisol, which helps you break down energy from stored fat. By the second day of fasting, your body is producing new growth hormones. Growth hormones help reduce inflammation, improve insulin function, and boost your metabolism. All of these factors can improve your mental clarity. Fasting can help with long-term mental clarity in a few ways. Studies show that fasting can help with managing blood sugar and cholesterol levels, which can help reduce the risk of certain mental illnesses. Fasting has also been shown to help with managing stress and improving sleep, which can help with mental clarity. Section 6. Fasting for chronic disease prevention. Some studies have found that regular fasting can reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Fasting has been shown to help with preventing diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancers. For certain chronic diseases, there may be a window during which fasting is most beneficial for prevention. For example, for certain cancers, it is best to fast within the first few hours of the day. For other diseases, fasting may be helpful at any time. For example, for diabetes, fasting has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It has also been shown to help prevent type 2 diabetes by improving your body's sensitivity to insulin. Fasting has also been shown to help with heart disease. Studies show that fasting can reduce LDL cholesterol, blood pressure, and oxidative stress. Fasting can also help reduce your risk of stroke. To reduce your risk of various cancers, fasting has been shown to help with decreasing inflammation, increasing the production of certain nutrients, and boosting the immune system. Section 7. The bottom line. Fasting has many benefits, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and lower risk of chronic diseases. Fasting is not for everyone, and it's important to talk to your doctor before you start. If you're looking to improve your health, fasting may be worth considering. It can help with weight loss, improve mental clarity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases.